Hi guys! Hi guys! That's what I want. Hi guys! So, today is December 31, 8:49 p.m. So, ngayon, medianoche, sa lubong ng New Year. So, dito ulit kami sa bahay. And every year naman, dito kami nagsiselebrate. But ngayon, kasama namin si Mama Ems. Kasi last year, nasa Canada siya. So, ngayon, kakauwi niya lang. Actually, kanina kakasundo lang namin sa kanya. So, ayun lang. Kakatapos ko lang mag-design ng table setting. Mag-ayos. Yung food, nag-order na lang kami kasi hindi na kaya ng time since nagsundo nga kami. And nagpunta kami ng SMO. So, update na lang later. Bye!
Kahit wala yung situation.
Dog! Lagtuan. Video.
Wala ka ba? Go.
Say siya. Happy New Year, Neighbors! Kulang pa yan. Hi, Neighbors! Hey! Ano ba naman yung malalaki? Yung yung madamihan? Ah! Happy New Year! Happy. Alam mo, nag-kiss na sa gilid.
Inuman na! Tulog ka, tulog. Ako, parang po yan. Para
Go, ay. Isha, tumatawa. Tumatawa. Hi! Dance. Tumatawa. Ay, happy, happy. Happy ka? Happy. Happy. Ha? Bakit? Bakit? Mami? Mami ka? Ayun ang mahal. Uy! Ano? Okay. Hi guys, good evening. So today is January 1 and ngayon nandito kami ngayon sa CK Hotpot to celebrate New Year's dinner. Since hindi kami nakapag New Year, kasama yung family ko, which yung mga angpam, hindi ako nakasama dahil doon kami sa amin nag-New Year sa Cambridge. So ngayon, yearly tradition na nga pala to namin. Every New Year may pa-dinner yung tita ko, libre niya. Treat niya to sa amin. So yun, nakikita niyo naman sa video, nag-dinner kami together. So yun lang, but Happy New Year!
Guys, Happy New Year, guys.
Hindi ako makatayo eh. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year po! Anak ko eh, tulog niya kaya nga eh. Happy New Year! Happy New Year po! Happy New Year! Kala mo hindi magkasama. Sila guys. Bali 30 packs nga pala
Kuya,
kami. Or
may
more
disposable
pa.
ka na, ano?
Hindi pa sure yung 30 packs. Ay. Tulog yung anak ko. Happy New Year! By the way guys, 30 packs kami or hindi pa sure. Baka more pa. So, ito sila. Hi! Visit niya si Stacia. Stacia! Stacia! Hi! Sila. Okay ba siya? Okay. Ayun sila guys. Ang dami namin. Bakit dami namin shoes mo? Bakit dami shoes mo? Yeah. Hi. Kain na kami guys. Ang panty niya. Isha. Hi! Hi! Naka-brown din siya. Guys. Isha! Happy? Stacia. Baby, tumawa. Isha, baby, oh. Isha. Ate Stacia, ate ka niya. Hey guys.
Pretty good. Thank you. If you practice and practice, maybe one day you're gonna be a
Kita ko.
professional beatboxer.
Just now up
How's
yun.
this?
Ang haba ng video din. Parang kahit 3 minutes pwede. Tisha!
Wait, Kirby, this whole time you were a beatboxer? Yeah. Why didn't you tell me?
We need to find one more clue. Dig, digging in the sand. Dig, dig. Oh, wow. Our last clue is
Mamaya na, mamaya kain ka muna. Kain ka muna. Tingnan natin.
so all of our clues together are
Sabay kayo. Ka-rice. Oo, ito.
circle.
Wow! You're eating.
The window? Yes! You got it! The window is a
Station! Relax. Okay, sorry. Daddy. Hello. Andun yung anak ko. Yung anak mo na kaya, Ate May. Sis. Hi guys! Good morning! So today is February 2, 4:17 a.m. Sunday, and now we're going to Tanay because magka-camping kami together with Jace's family and my baby Stacia! Hi! Wala pa akong tulog guys, pero si Stacia may tulog na. So dahil nag-asikaso kami and nag-grocery kami last night. So as of now, nilaload na yung mga gamit sa kotse. And waiting kami ngayon dito ni Stacia sa sala. Ito nga pala ang aking outfit. Wala na akong masuot, guys. Girls problem. Kahit ang daming damit, walang masuot. Ito yung outfit ko. Kita ba? Yan. Nag-black sando na lang ako. And then, short. Tapos ito. Yan. Cute. And nagsalamin muna ako kasi pinapahinga ko yung mata ko sa contact lens. So later na lang siguro ako contact lens kapag nag-swimming. Kasi ayoko naman nakasalamin na mag-swimming. Then, nag-put ng hair. So, yan lang. Mabilis ang outfit. Nanda ako masuot eh.
Panikin natin ang bundok ng kawalaan.
Ano?
Panikin natin ang bundok ng kawalaan. Ilan nyo kayo, Jerma?
112 pa lang sa inyo.
Hi guys! So, nandito pa rin kami. Look at the view! Grabe, sobrang ganda guys! Nakakamiss makikita ng ganitong view. Uy! Sleepy ka na naman? Uy! Hi! Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama sing?
Give your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me. To me. To me. To me, yeah.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Charan! Hi guys! We're here at Kinabuan Falls. And sila, magsiswimming muna kami. Hello!
Meron na rito kasi baso eh. Nagdala ka na ba?
Yeah.
Buwan yan. Eh, ganito
Hi
siya.
guys!
Wait, man. Di ba ganito yung virtual ko sa sa cardio?
Paano?
Ganito yung dinadaanan
Oo.
niya. Sa, kinangin, hirap pala nun. Tapos tumatabi pa yung mga tao.
Hello!
Sabi na,
Hi guys! We're here at Kinabuan Falls.
Life is our game, that is that. I won't get away. We can find a
Within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me.
Kaya ipabakyot. Hello?
Within our company, within our company, so come closer to me, a little closer.
update. So, nakita niyo naman sa video na nag-swimming kami sa falls kanina. And then, ayan, nagbara kami. Hindi muna kami nagbalo kasi mag-swimming pa ulit kami kasama sila Stacia and sila Mabi. So, ngayon bibili kami sa tindahan. Dumami na nga pala yung mga rig.
Hello.
Hey guys, so just an update. Nandito na kami ngayon sa bungad ng Santa Ines. From Kinubuan Falls. Lumipat na kami kasi para hindi na hassle bukas pag uwi. Since grabe yung mga rough road na dinaanan. So para bukas di na hassle. So dito na rin kami last time. Ilang years ago. So dito kami ulit. Ganda guys. Di na ako masyado nakakapag-video kasi kanina pala. Nagpahinga kami, natulog kami dahil napagod kami mag-swimming. Sobrang lamig lang ng tubig sa falls.
Personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And then I shine a light story, called everything's peachy. Can I just get straight to the bar, twist the bass? Life's all about balance and real takes practice. We know accidents happen,
Masaya ang lakad pag walang
but my love's on purpose. Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality.
Bigay boy, ganda.
Kaya TBC taga-ugas.
Team G, taga-ugat. Ako yun, kadang. Tara, papasat ako.
Teacher ko. Hi guys! I'm Stacia. Hi! Hi! Say hi. Let's go. Let's go. One.
Ako, matutod na boy. Pulutan pa si Kanton.
7.
Puki na yun.
8.
Baka wala ako rito.
9.
Pulutan talaga ako.
What's next? 9. 10.
Mas gumagana na pala yung ano eh. Speaker eh.
This one.
Split personality.
Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. Daddy, good morning. Good morning.
Parang si Bansior ng Nopia. Kasi halos kinopia lahat. Pangalan lang ang pinag-joke lang.
I wonder how this little bird is feeling.
Station.
I take me.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi. So, doon kami mag-asikaso and magluto. Akong nagiwa. And then nag-freshen up ako para magpa-picture. Hindi dito guys. Hindi na ako masyadong vlog kasi na-enjoy namin yung moment. And nag-aasikaso din kasi kay Stacia. Naiya na ako kasi mag-vlog. Actually, naiya ako mag-vlog. Hindi na ako ganun kasanay ulit. Kiss me! Stacia.
Strike up the band, make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me.
I don't wanna slow it down. I just wanna speed it up. Speed it up. I don't wanna stop now. I just wanna keep moving forward.
Hi guys, so we're done eating lunch and ngayon magsiling naman kami dito sa tabing ilog. Tisha! 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 Wow! Ano ang arte naman! Oh baby, hi! Swimming ka? Hi! Uy! Di ka namamansin ah. Di ka namamansin ah. Hello! Parang taga dito ah.
I need to keep on going. I need to be
Hi! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Can you say? Can you say, Mama? Tisha. Hey guys, naglalakad kami sa gitna ng kawalan, Char. Swimming siya, oh.
Flash mo.
Hi!
to keep on going. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker.
Nagugulog siya.
Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna.
Hi guys, update. So habang nagpapak sila, nag-video ko na lang muna ako dito sa car. Gamit yung lipong phone. Hi, Stacia! While waiting.
Sleeping, I stay up and think of you. I love you too. Now I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow.
Ano nila? Kaya sinuwa na ng Lakers. Eh, di ba hiling lang hiling si AD ng ng sentro, hindi mabigay. Nangingi siya ng sentro. Ayun, tangin na. Doon siya kay Godford. Phosphor siya doon.
Makakapag-ISO na si AD doon, no? Makakapag-guardia na.
Ay, pero magandang tandem yun.
Heads underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy.
all of me, loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose all of me.
Totoo ba dito lang, Totol?
Ha?
Dos na?
Oo, okay na yung Paul.
I give my all to you. Love you all, even when I'm losing, winning, 'cause I give you all. Wow! Happy Valentine! Wow, look! Wow! Doon ka nabubuksan. Yay! Tisha!
Do you believe me when I tell you you the one I'm loving? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions and you my soulmate? 'Cause if so, girl, you're a blessing. Do you trust me?
Wow! Thank you, Daddy! Say thank you to Daddy. Wow! Say thank you, Daddy. Hey, Tisha.